Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. It's been a while, but we're here with another video. So for those who didn't see, the drone crashed. It's not working, so we need a new drone for the channel, and that's the main reason why you guys haven't been getting any videos. Because based on the type of content I do, you know, having drone shots enhance the videos, whether it's highway development, new commercial or residential housing development. You know, a drone will really enhance the video, because again, most new construction is also fenced around, so it's high fences, so you wouldn't be able to see over them without a drone as well. So you know, that's the main reason you guys haven't been seeing any videos. So I really apologize for that, but you know, the videos have to go on. The videos have to continue. Can't stop what we're doing, right? So when the channel just started out, we used to do a lot of driving videos, so community drive, city drive, rain drive, night drive. So we used to do a lot of videos, and from time to time, you know, persons still watch those videos and comment and say, hey, haven't seen my old community for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So a lot of persons do appreciate the driving videos as well, especially the community drive, because I try to cover as many communities as possible, so persons can probably, you know, get that drive down memory lane, stuff like that, especially persons abroad that haven't visited for a while or don't visit that often. So we're gonna start back some of those, but for today I'm gonna show you guys a glimpse of a new small development right here at the Total Gilmore Drive. That's at the intersection of Mullines Road and Boulevard. So they're opening a new automatic car wash. This is the second one I know. I know one is over by Portmore, close to where Price Mart is, and I think this would be the second one they're doing. If I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. So it's basically finished. I think they're just testing out now. I don't think it's open to customers yet, so we're gonna get a glimpse of that. Basically, it's a very short video. It's also an update video, just so you guys know that I'm still alive, I'm still well, the channel is still active. You know, just because we need a new drone doesn't mean we're gonna stop what we're doing. So yeah, that's where we're at. And guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. You know, the channel cannot survive without you guys. So I really appreciate everyone. Subscribe, comment, share, and I missed you guys as well. Alright guys, so over here is where the new automatic car wash is being developed. I'll step outside in a few as well and just, you know, show you guys around this area. This is a busy spot. We have one gas station in front of the other, but I'll show you guys when I step out of the car. Alright guys, so this is the Total Energies Gilmore Drive in Kingston. car wash being tested out. I know a lot of persons overseas may have, you know, tried these automatic car wash before. I don't think a lot of Jamaicans have. So if you're in Jamaica, would you try one of these automatic car wash? So they have a vacuum machine as well, so you know, at least right after your wash you can still vacuum your vehicle. I'm not sure if they'll do the vacuum for you. So we see foam being sprayed on the vehicle. Not sure if you guys are seeing everything clearly. So we have foam, we have different rollers spinning. But I would try it. I think you would get the opportunity to sit in your vehicle as well. So you know, probably it's a good experience sitting in your vehicle. So all those rollers is washing the front, windscreen, bonnet. But let's see how it takes on. Let's see if a lot of persons gravitate to it. And again, based on my knowledge, this is pretty new to Jamaica. Very busy location as well. Sides of the vehicle. I always wonder though if I don't know what material those spinning things are. If you guys know, you can let me know. I wonder if they affect your vehicle paint in any way.
Big up inside there, I know on the camera pick. I'm a big camera.
Alright guys, so let me know your comments. Let me know, one, if you've ever been to an automatic, you know, drive-through car wash before. What's your experience? If you have never, let me know if you try this one in Jamaica. And again, I think this is the second one. One is in Portmore. If you know of any other in Jamaica that's operational, you can let me know as well in the comments. Alright guys, so as usual, leave your comments. Again, a short video, just, you know, highlighting this new car wash and just giving you guys an update on what's going on with me, what's going on with the channel. So again, I think it's in the testing phase. I don't think it's commercialized yet. Again, two gas stations in front of each other. That's a Texaco, and this is Boulevard. That direction, it leads you to Half a Tree, to Kingston Spring, Manor Park. And if you're going to the left, that takes you to Spanish Town. This direction brings you back to Half a Tree. That is Spanish Town there. And that can bring you up to Red Hills Road. So very busy, very popular intersection. Major intersection as well. So this is Mullines Road intersecting with Boulevard. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on another video.